And here we have our Ninja Creamy. And out of the freezer, I have taken our vanilla base, vanilla ice cream, because I'm making just straight vanilla ice cream here to start. And what we're gonna do is take our vanilla ice cream, it's been frozen, this has been all night, he's rock hard here. And I'm gonna put him in our container, and he's in there. And then what I'm going to do is put our lid on him. I'm gonna put our lid right here. We're gonna get our lid on here. And then we're gonna turn him until he locks in. He's now locked in, okay? The blade is inside. And then what we're gonna do is come here with him like this and turn him till he locks. He's now locked in there, ready to do. So I'm gonna turn our machine on, and I'm going to select full because I've got a full container. And then what we're going to do is we are going to make ice cream right there. Ice cream, the dot is there, 2 minutes, and no mix-ins here on this. And then what we're going to do is, I believe, just push here. And now the blade is going to go down from the inside, and it's going to process our vanilla ice cream.
Well, isn't that cool? That looks very nice.
So we're gonna let this process, foodies. We're gonna let this process, as noisy as it is, and then we'll come back after it's all processed and we'll show you how it looks, okay? All right, so this is Peter Carpitos wishing you the best. We'll be back with the finished product.